Those are mommy's shoes, but that's okay. Wrong feet. Flip them around. There you go. Those are sneakers. Those will be okay. You can try those on. You're so very silly. Can you walk in them? Careful on the rugs. Come back. Careful, don't fall. Good job. You put them back where they belong?
I can't get them off.
Sure you can. Do you need help?
What about I sit here?
No, that'll break. Sit here on this step.